YouTube, man, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be cooking up some melodic ambient underground sounds, you feel me? Let's get straight into the video. We're gonna get us an empty project. I'm just gonna go in there with the FL keys. I love to go in there with the FL keys at first, just to get your idea down, lay down some notes. So I'm just gonna go in there. Yeah, that sound fire. So let's just get like a little rhythm. I always like to do like some type of rhythm. And really, I'm just doing some random stuff, but it's gonna sound good once I throw the gross beat on it. I'm just trying to get like a rhythm that sound good. And then I like to just go in there, throw some gross beat on there, halftime it. You feel me? Just like that, we got some fire, bouncy. Now, what I'll do is go to Analog Lab or any VST you got and add some sounds that's just going, that goes with the rhythm, if that makes sense. I got like multi keys and stuff like that, and I just mess around with it. Just add some delay. Turn that wetness down. And I'm just gonna mess with this pattern a little bit. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, that sounded crazy. Turn this down a little bit. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, this sounded crazy. Low key, I don't know why I can hear this, but hold on, I'm about to duplicate this and do like a second little pattern. Cause I keep hearing this in my head. Like sometimes you just gotta do that. Like if you hear something consistently playing in your head, you just gotta place it down. You feel me? Let's see what this sounds. I mean, it's alright, but I just wanted to see what it sounds like. Now I'm gonna go in there and add like a bass. Oh. second part. Like I want like a bunch of you gonna see what I mean. So I ain't gonna lie, I don't know, for some reason all my other plugins are not working right now, so I'm gonna have to use like stuff like little stuff like this, like Heat Up 3, which ain't bad, but basically what I'm gonna do is, let's mute all this. I'm just gonna turn it down, and I'm just gonna layer it a bunch of times with different instruments. I just make? That was fire. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. I gotta. Man, if y'all enjoyed this video, man, leave a thumbs up, like, man. This been a fire cook up, fire beat. If y'all want more content like this, man, y'all want more beats like this, it's your boy Mar, man. Leave a thumbs up, like, and I'm gonna be back with y'all, man. Peace.